done some pilots. And let's stick these screws in. Just lifted this massive cast iron bath up into the bathroom, and that wasn't light, I'll tell you that. Makes it my life a bit easier just to wind them in finger tight first. Start them off. And if they're like painted screws like these ones, you just want to go nice and steady to like take all the paint off. And sometimes because it's such a simple task you feel like you need to go 100 miles an hour. But, you know what they say, slow and steady. Alright, so those are on now. But of course, after I've done everything, cut them all the spindles down, everything, of course this handle doesn't bloody want to stay on because the glue's gone. How very annoying. Right, so I'm just in here, this lovely bathroom, and I'm just marking these skirtings so that we can get this unit back in. Pretty much, just like this. Right, so I marked my line on the wall, and now I just need to carefully cut it out. It's all well and alright doing the straight lines, but these are going to be a bit of a challenge. Right, now let's go up and cut the other end. The only reason I've got my shoes on is because I'm in trainers, and also my boots are a bit dirty. Pedro the decorator, if that was his name, can't remember correctly, will be watching this thinking, no, my lovely handly work. Sorry mate. And a knife along it. I can't remember, this is probably screwed in certain areas. Done such a good job of painting it, I can't even see where they were. Where the frick are these bloody screws? Got a magnet here. Let's see if I can find the heads with this, if it's worth a shot. There you go. And this is because I went to the van to get a spare blade for the multi-tool, and of course the spare blades box had a spare blade, Stanley blade, sticking up, just got me, sliced my finger. So I brought it back just to have a look and see what's going on, and it seems to fit pretty well. So I just got to put some more line on it and then take it out and push it in, and then hopefully this will hit this, and then we can run a bit of skirting in here. It'll look good.
Right fiddly pain in the bottom, aren't we, Neil?
Bloody hell, mate.
Getting this unit to sit right in here. Floor is undulating a lot really over the size of that cabinet. New floor down, but we just put the new floor down onto the existing joists and whatever they were doing really.
But originally it did look kind of alright.
What do you mean?
Like, it wasn't so out of level that we were like, I don't know, you need to do something.
No, you wouldn't really know until you stand that there and it's not sitting right. So we have been messing around, and we've packed it up. We've packed it up at the moment, just on some plastic packers. But I'll get some little round sort of pedestals or pattresses made. One of, well, that one's only 3mm, and then that one is whatever it is, 7mm or something. Little bits of walnut to match the cabinet to slide under. Plumbers have been in and long anyway. Everything's live now. Sort of in and working. And I'm just going to build a box in now around this. The plumbers have connected the toilet up, so I'm gonna box this in now with the tricoya skirting again. All up and just put a little piece of tricoya in there flat as well. As you can do with that really, but skirt it and paint it all in.
Thinking about how lovely this bath looks with this colour of wall.
Right. Yeah.
Yes, because they're exactly the same, so it ties in well, doesn't it?
What? Because it's on purpose?
Yeah.
Yeah. They got the bath painted from the suppliers. We didn't paint that. You'd have painted it pink.
If painted it zebra stripes.
Would you? Probably would, like your bedroom.
Yeah, and then have cheetah wallpaper.
Sounds good.
Spinning red fluffy bed.
And all the cornicing and stuff has all been tidied up now and is looking nice. And with this anyway, and it's a pain in the arse. What I need to use to make up that skirting upstairs. The toilet connection there. Dead tight there. To get that down into the position we need it, which is there, got to take that much off. Describe this uneven floor. Transfer that, so that's probably 10mm. 10mm, I'll measure that. Today.
Is there something you want me to do? Ask the
Loads.
fella Hardens. Ooh, lovely. Nearly got a close-up shot on that.
With this in the end because like thinking of the camera being there was just annoying me, and it's so fiddly getting stuff like this. This is probably like one of the fiddliest parts of the bathroom, this sort of detail behind the toilet, to try and make it look anything. Anyway, I think we'd hope for would be to have the soil pipe go straight out through the back there, not have to have any of this boxing behind the toilet. Way here, because there's a chimney stack here with the flue inside it. So through there with the pipe. So we've simplified it as best we can. So I'm nearly there. This little piece of tricoya, 12mm, just fitted. I have just slid it round because it's out of square slightly as things are. That wall and bits are out of square. So it only fitted in one way, so I had to put it in probably 3 times before I managed to get it the right orientation. But it's sliding in now. I've just eased, because I'm setting it flush with the top of this skirting detail, I've just eased the edges of it so that, well, I don't think I will fill it, but anyway. Yeah, it's tight from going there. I think it will go though, if I just give it a little persuade. I've got a persuader here.
flags near a park where anyone floats and jewellery are found, then the laws is last seen in the city centre 6 days.
So I've put a really tiny fall on this, just from the back, just out. You know, it should never have any water on it really, but in a bathroom, I don't think it should ever like have a horizontal surface that hasn't got any fall on it at all. Thinking about the pipes beneath here, but I'm well out of the way. I never pull the trigger on this thing without thinking about what I'm shooting into, whether it's my finger or a cable or a pipe. The nail I've just put in hasn't quite gone down beneath the surface enough for us to get filler on it, which is always annoying. And just punch some of these down. There's a couple that haven't gone quite home. Cleaning it up a little bit, getting some filler in it, ready for the decorator to come and make good. But I'll fill it and sand it and probably give it a coat of primer, just because I want the decorator to be quite quick when he gets here. I want him to come here and snag and be done in a day. Drying time's the way. Do that.